Okay, so this is a video note for Unit 1 Thinking and Communication, and the question states calculate the volume of each cake. So they're trying to determine which cake would be a better buy, so I went ahead and branched the two off. Started off with cake 1, noticing that it's a rectangular prism. I went ahead and used V equals length times width times height for the formula. And then I got a total volume of 980 inches cubed for the first rectangle, and that's the bottom layer. And then for the top layer, did the same formula, length times width times height, and I got a total of 400 inches cubed. So I went ahead and added the two together. The total volume is 980 plus 400 gives me a total of 1,380 inches cubed. So for step 2, I calculated the surface area. The reason we're calculating for surface area is because we have to determine the icing on the cake. But noticing that this is a rectangular prism shape and there is two objects stacked on one another, that's going to leave one side or one surface not accounted for. So you do have to subtract that from when you're adding all the sides. So after that, we got a total of 528 inches squared, and then for the bottom, I also got 260 inches cubed. And then what I did was I added the two together, but subtracted the side that's not accounted for, and got a total of 688 inches squared. And that's for cake 1. So now for cake 2, same thing, calculate the volume of each cake. So for the bottom layer, we use, since it's a cylinder, we went ahead and used V equals pi r squared times height, and then we got a total of 11939.85 centimeters cubed. And for the top layer, same technique, same formula, V equals pi r squared times height, and we got a total of 6367.92 centimeters cubed. So then I did the same thing. I went ahead and added the two volumes together and got a total volume of 18,000.77 centimeters cubed. So for step 2 is to calculate the surface area for the shape now, and I went ahead and did so, and also accounted for the one side that we have to minus or subtract, and we ended up getting a total of 1,500.34 centimeters cubed. And then I went ahead and I added the surface areas, total surface area of both of them, and we got a total of 3398.265 centimeters squared. After that, I went ahead and created an evaluation chart and compared cake 1 to cake 2, their volume. So for cake 1, the total volume was 1,380 inches cubed, and then for cake 2, it was 1117.21 inches cubed. So right off the rip there, you could see that cake 1 was obviously the better buy for the volume. So going down to the total surface area now, for cake 1, it's 688 inches squared, and for cake 2, it's 374.88 inches squared. So overall, the cakes, since the cakes were the same, the better deal would be cake 1, obviously, because it has a greater volume and a greater surface area. So that is my response. I will also link a picture to this video note to have a better understanding of the question. Thank you. Have a nice day.